I need it, okay? Because, like, I need, like, 500 something more subscribers to get AdSense and make money. Please, 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 please. Greetings, Earthlings! I am here today to do an unboxing of the March Boxy Luxe box. This is an actual unboxing. I have not opened this box yet. And if you know from my previous BoxyCharm, the Boxy Premium unboxing, I was very upset that I wasn't able to do an actual unboxing video. So we are going to open this up and see what goodies we have inside and if it's any better than the Boxy Premium that I just opened that was full of Fenty Beauty stuff. So I've lost track of how much these actually cost. I want to say Boxy Luxe, which is every 3 months, is $50 something. They charge you like an extra 20 or something like that. I need to look into it. It's also very confusing now. I just know money gets taken out of my bank account in the beginning of the month and then they send me stuff. So let's go ahead and open this up. It doesn't feel too heavy. It's an interesting shape, so I feel like there's gonna be something that's long in here. I don't remember seeing any spoilers or customizing it or anything, so let's see what is inside. Okay, so on the top, we have this. It says BoxyCharm Pretty Edgy. Like, there's some rocks and some cinder blocks. That's fun for makeup. All right, the first thing we have on top is from Zoeva. This is the Premier, must be an eyeshadow palette possibly. I don't have anything from Zoeva. Oh, maybe this is a face palette. Is it a face palette? This definitely looks like a blush. These look very, very shimmery though. So I can't imagine, I don't know. I mean, some people like shimmery blushes. I'm not a big fan. See, that's like a highlight. Maybe this, I really don't know. This is very shimmery for a bronzer. I'll have to read what this is. Regardless, they're pretty. I mean, these would make really nice eyeshadows, and this blush is kind of pretty too. The shimmery pink is called Fame and Fortune. The bronze color is called 1929, and the matte pink color is called Curtain Call. It says on the back it is a blush palette. Well, I am sorry, but these two, they are not blushes for me. That is so shimmery. It's like metallic. I can't imagine a metallic blush, but some people like things that I don't like. What can I say? All right, let's move this. Ooh, okay. I'm seeing some really cool stuff in here. Let's start with this. This is the PMD, box is a little broken, Smart Facial Cleansing Device. Has soft silicone bristles, it's waterproof and ergonomic design, and easy AA battery. Now, mind you, I do have one of those little Ferio little numbers, and I have the Mia by Clarisonic, but this looks interesting. I kind of like that this has a wand to it. I'll have to try this out when I wash my face today. It comes with a battery and it comes with, I'm guessing this is a case to put on the front. That doesn't fit. What is this? I threw the box on the floor, so I'm not gonna bother looking for it, but okay. I like the rose gold and the pink. There's two different sides to it. Well, the box is on the floor now, so we'll look at that later. Okay, here we have something from Spongelle, a body wash infused buffer. I have gotten one of these before. I don't know if it was in BoxyCharm or if it was in FabFitFun. I feel like it was this exact one. It smells really good. I can't remember why I didn't like it. There was a reason that I didn't like it. But this is in the fragrance Freesia Pear. So I'll try that in the shower tonight. I don't remember what I didn't like about it. there was definitely something I didn't like. Okay, more goodies. We have this by Murad, Hydration, Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. Ooh, so an eye cream, I'm guessing. I don't like hydrating like lotions or stuff like that for my face because I have oily skin, but for under the eyes, I'm okay with that. Step 3, to use AM and PM, gently pat around the eye area. Okay, that's cool. We got some skincare. Not a lot of skincare in here, and I'm okay with that. We have by Nars, a Powermatte Lip Pigment in London Calling. I'm not sure what that shade is yet. This is pretty. Oh my goodness, this is a really pretty shade. If you watched my last video with the Fenty Beauty Boxy Premium one, I talked about the shade that I had gotten in there, Griselda, how I really liked that. And I have been looking for lipsticks in that shade. Well, it looks like I just found another one. This is London Calling. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, that is everything to me. I love that so much. And I know I really like this formula. I have a little mini one that I don't remember. I think it was a like a reward that I got from Sephora, and it's one of my favorite lipsticks. But I love that color. I am very happy with that. That's gonna be the best. We've got 2 Rio de Sol. No, Rio de, no. What is this brand called? Sol de Janeiro. Sol de Janeiro. Sol de Janeiro. We have the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and the Coco Cabana Cream. I love the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I have gone through so many of these. This is amazing. This smells so good. It feels so nice. It leaves a nice little shimmer beautifulness to your skin. This, I hate. It stinks. It smells, I don't even know what it smells like, but it smells gross. I had one of these and I threw it away because I just couldn't handle the smell. Like, it smells, to me it smells like a taco. Like, I can't explain it. It smells, there's something about it that smells like a taco. I don't like it. I don't like this one. But I do love the regular Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. That one's amazing. Okay, we have from Moroccanoil, Protect and Prevent Spray, Color Complete for color treated hair. Prevents color fade, UV, and pollution protection. Oh, so that's kind of cool. It's a lightweight leave-in conditioner that prevents color fade and brassiness. I like this. I do have problems with, you can't really tell in my roots right now, but my hair does turn a little brassy. I need to get my hair all over colored. I need to go somewhere to get that done, and I'll spend a fortune because I got so much hair. But this, I am very happy with. This is something that I can use so much better than like a sample of a hair mask that I can only get on like a quarter of my hair. Looks like there's one thing left in here, and it looks BoxyCharm branded. Wow. A Shimmer Pressed Eyeshadow palette. Let's see if this is beautiful. Oh, this is really pretty. I am like immediately drawn to these 2 shades. Let's see. This one's called Full Size. Wait, let me see. Okay, Boxy. I'll have to swatch them all. All right, so we've got Boxy, which is a really creamy white shade. We have Charmer, which is this kind of like turquoise, teal, shimmery. Oh, beautiful shade. Holy cow. Full Size, which is this kind of duochrome purpley blue shade. It has like a black undertone almost, and it's a little bit patchy. Hang on, let me do this arm. Okay, we have Exclusive, which is a shimmery bronze shade. Oh, so pretty. We have Spoiler. I am loving these names. They are so BoxyCharm. Spoiler, which is just a nice tan transition shade, a little bit yellow, a little bit orange. We have Luxe, which is this beautiful golden shade. Oh, wow. Okay, we have, honestly, I am living for these names. This is too much. Unboxing, which is a nice red brick magenta-y kind of shade. Ooh, we're not looking at a lot of pigment there though. That's kind of sheer, honestly. Sneak Peek, which is another more coppery shade. Beautiful metallic, beautiful, beautiful. We have Premium, which is kind of just like a light tan shade, like very light. Swipe Up, which I am digging. It almost looks like a glitter, so we'll see. Ooh, it's rough, so I would definitely have to say that this is a glitter. Let's watch it all fall. That's really pretty. This one I would definitely think that you'd have to put on a glitter glue of some sort. We got two more shades. We've got Pop Up, which is like this metallic champagne color. Beautiful, beautiful. And then Cup of Joe. Well, that's random. I don't understand that with the boxy theme, but it's just a nice warm brown shade. I really like this palette because there's some really crazy colors in there, but there's some good transition shades and whatnot, and it's unique. I can say that. This is unique. I think they did a good job. Way to go, BoxyCharm. And again, the shade names, I love it. I love it. All right, guys, so that is the end of this video. Okay, just realized I did not go over how much everything costs with the insert. So we have the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for eyes. That $70. Okay, so we're starting pretty high. The Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom in Coconut Cabana Cream Duo, $15. BoxyCharm Hello Charmer Palette, $39. Wow, BoxyCharm. PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device, $99. Nars Powermatte Lip Pigment, $25. Zoeva Premier Blush Palette, $19. Spongelle Body Wash Infused Buffer, $16. And Moroccanoil Protect and Prevent Spray, $30. So the total for this March Boxy Luxe is $313. There you have it. Was it worth it? Maybe. Okay, it's like 6 o'clock at night. I don't need to keep drinking Monster. Okay, bye.